Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk about this new Capital One credit card that's out, which is the Venture X Rewards credit card. So a lot of people ask about getting miles or even, having some rewards when you travel. I have a few trips planned. And I'm very excited to be able to go on my trips, but it's best if you can get rewards so that you can kind of get paid to travel in a way. You know what I mean? And you have so many discounts. Now, this credit card have a lot of great discounts, so I kind of want to go, well, a lot of rewards, should I say, which could allow you to have discounts and a lot of freebies. So I kind of want to go over this credit card, you guys. And if you have any questions, definitely let me know. But let's get right on into the credit card. And let's kind of compare them to the other credit cards that they already have. So if you go to the Capital One website, you will see that they have it marked as a new credit card. So you can see it's a new card. It's all highlighted, right? So this card right here, you earn unlimited 10 times the miles on hotels and car rentals booked through the Capital One Travel. So when you book it through Capital One Travel, you guys will get 10 times the miles, which, depending on what price it is, make sure you continue to compare them to the other websites. Like I like to use hotels.com because I get rewards through like hotels.com. I use my credit card to book through there. Make sure you compare them to whatever website you're already using to book your travel to. But you guys will get 10 times the miles on there. You earn unlimited 5x miles on flights booked through the Capital One Travel. When I book my travel, I like to look on Google first in incognito mode. So if you guys don't know, just right click up here and do the new incognito window. I like to book that way first, or I like to check the prices that way first. And you can compare them to the Capital One Travel too, see how much it's going to cost through there. But I still want you guys to compare it, because you guys will still earn 2 times the miles on all of the purchases. And I'd rather you get the 2x miles on all of the purchases, especially if you're already saving $200, $300, $400 on your flight. You know what I mean? But yeah, you guys will earn these different rewards. So let's go. And then they have let's go down a little bit. They have a new member offer. So if you can see your other credit cards here, they don't have any new member offers for the Venture credit card. But if you look here, they have the earn 25,000 bonus miles once you spend $500 on purchases within the first 3 months. Now, this one is a lot different, right? And this one, you get the 0% APR. So that's something great for those people that want that 0%. But with this one, you'll earn 100,000 bonus miles once you spend $10,000 on purchases within 6 months from your account opening. Some people may think that is a lot, but don't think of it as a lot. You can put so many different purchases on your credit card so that you say if you were going to use your debit card, if you're going to use another credit card, you can just rack up all of your purchases on this one credit card so that you can go ahead and hit that goal. And it's about $1,600 a month so that you can hit that goal. Now, one thing I really like about this is you guys will get the $100 credit towards the global entry or the TSA pre-check. That TSA pre-check is everything because the line is shorter. They already know you. They already know what's going on. So it's so much better to do the TSA pre-check. So if you guys have that option of using that, getting this credit card, make sure that you pick which one you want to do. You want to do the global entry or the TSA pre-check. But if you were to just pay for either one, because you can just buy it separately no matter what, just use this credit card. That way you can that money can go towards your $10,000 purchases within the first 6 months. And you guys will get unlimited free access to the Capital One lounges. So that's really good. And then to the Priority Pass membership, the complimentary Priority Pass membership. So these two is really, really good. You guys want to have access to the lounges and you want to have the Priority Pass membership. Now, over here, you have 2 free visits per year. But with this credit card, you'll have unlimited. So that's really good. And your annual benefits. So every year, you'll get up to $300 Capital One travel credit. So you'll be able to use those travel credits for whenever you're traveling. The other credit cards, they don't offer that at all. And you'll get the $10,000 mile anniversary bonus. So starting on your second year, after you sign up, you're going to get that $10,000 mile anniversary bonus. Now, they want you to have excellent credit, so make sure you keep that in mind when it comes down to getting this credit card. And the APR on this credit card is 16.99% up to 23.99%. So it's variable. So you guys, they'll pick which one they want to give you. And you can see with this credit card here, which I think is a Venture One. Yes, the Venture One rewards. So with this credit card here, they have the 0% for 18 months. So you can weigh your options on if you like that too. But you have the 0% for 18 months on this credit card. Now, these two credit cards, they don't have an annual fee. So let's go back to the top. The Venture One Rewards and the Venture One Rewards for good credit. These two credit cards, they don't have an annual fee. For just a regular Venture One, it has a $95 annual fee. And for this credit card here, the one we're talking about now, the Venture X credit card, it is a $395 annual fee. And I'm pretty sure, I know for sure that they're going to take that money right off of that credit card as soon as you get the credit card. They tell you how much you're approved for. But this is the overview again on the credit account, you guys. So if you want to apply for this credit card, you guys can click apply now. And two, they said limited time offer up to $200 vacation rental credit. So yeah, you guys, you go ahead and sign up for it, but understand too, you have the annual fee. And if you're not traveling a lot, or say if you're not going to use your miles and maybe COVID is slowing you down a little bit, so you're not getting out as much, then maybe you don't want to apply for this credit card right now. Maybe you want to apply for another credit card that's more up your speed. Some people may have maxed out credit cards, and they may want to get a credit card where they're able to do the 0% for 18 months, because then they can push all of their balance. Like this credit card here, you can push all your other balances where you're maxed out on your credit cards onto this credit card, and you can get 0% APR for 18 months. So this may be a credit card you want to get right now because of COVID. You don't want to travel. You know, some places, some countries are requiring that you're vaccinated. Maybe you don't want to do all that right now. So maybe you don't want to apply for this card. Maybe you just want to apply for the 0% APR. But yeah, go ahead and weigh your options, you guys. But this is their new credit card. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I'm definitely here for you guys. And if you guys know of any new credit cards you want me to do a review on, definitely let me know. I'll do that review. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.